mga ka-explorer at nandito kami ngayon sa Lumerios Residence. At kasama ko ngayon ang aking anak na si Eman. Hi, Eman! Hi! Hi! And si Alexa. Hi! Ang mga batang hindi pa naliligo. Ew. Ayan. So we are going to do the cookie challenge, mga ka-explorer. Are you ready? Okay. So, now let's start. Let's start with Alexa, okay? Let's see.
I have one cookie.
Oh, you have one cookie! Yay! Yay! You have one cookie! My one cookie! Next, Eman, you. Oh, you have two cookies! Ayun na, yay! Okay, Mommy's turn. Oh, wala akong cookie. Kawawa naman siya. Kawawa naman si Mommy. Wala si Mommy cookie. What are you going to do?
Wait. Don't look behind you.
What? What are you going to do? Oh my God! Ba't may kagat na? Wala man. Ito sa akin. Okay, let's hati ulit. Okay, binuo ulit niya yung cookie.